The Yes Bank has been very nice to us, not only now but in the past also, and we continue the association. Please come, Chitraji, please come.
Thank you, Brigadier. Members of the dais, august audience, a very good evening to you. And I must say, a big thank you to all of you for allowing Yes Bank to associate with an esteemed organization like the International Sindhu Chamber of Commerce, the Sindhu Gaurav Award, the function today. On a different note, I just want to say that today I'm a very proud lady because I'm a born South Indian. I'm an Iyer from Tamil Nadu, but I married into a home which had my mother-in-law from Sindh. She's a Sindhi. I'm extremely proud to say that my daughter today has Sindhi blood in her. Wow. I never learned the language, Aruna ma'am. I missed it, and I think I will go back and learn this language in the next 1 year. Maybe I'll come back and speak something. I did try, I would say, in the initial years of marriage, but somewhere I gave up because Hindi took over. But this language I will definitely learn. You have inspired me, all of you here. Thank you. On behalf of Yes Bank, I'd just like to take about 5 minutes to introduce the bank to you. I'm sure you've heard a lot about the bank and you've seen the presence grow in the last 2 years. But just to give you a few points in terms of the dimension of the bank, we are the fourth largest private bank in the country, definitely a scheduled bank. And in the last 10 years, we are only 10 years young. I won't say we are 10 years old, but in the last 10 years, I think the milestones that the bank has set has far exceeded the last few private banks which have been seen around from the last 20 years. I think the milestones have far exceeded all of their performances. To just give you a few points, we have a balance sheet size today of 116,000 crores. We have a deposit size, retail deposit size of about 80,000 crores. We have the current and savings account, which actually determines the customer base that you have, of 18,000 crores. We are growing at a deposit base of about 19% year on year. We are growing our customer base at about 31% year on year. We are growing our profit. I would say in the last quarter we hit a profit of about 483 crores, and this is a 30% year on year, which is really a sterling performance. We are very determined to be a very high quality bank and to ensure that at no point in time we are running down in terms of quality. We will continue to be the #1 bank and focus on delivering the best in terms of services, the best in terms of profitability to all our stakeholders. Just to tell you that we have forayed into retail banking only in the last 2 years. We've been a very strong commercial bank, very strong corporate bank, MNC bank and all of that. But in the last 2 years, we've emerged as a very high and fast growing retail bank, again without eroding the quality factor. To speak of the size of our network, we stand at, in 2008 we were about 101 branches. Today we have 581 branches and growing, I think, at a much faster pace. I would say in the last quarter we've put on a hell of a lot in terms of network. We have a ATM network of about 1,149 and still growing, and we plan to really enhance our retail, since we are committed to growing in the retail space in the tier 2 to tier 6 cities. We plan to be present in all the 53 metros, 29 states and 7 union territories. The plan you will hear shortly, we will be announcing our quarterly results. You'll hear a lot on that. In terms of retail banking, at the end of it all, cannot really be up there and running without the investment in people and human capital. If you were to understand, we've grown threefold in terms of our investment in human capital. There is 2,751 people we had on board in 2008, and we are today standing at 9,612 employees, and I think all of them completely committed to growing the bank. And needless to say that even in terms of our CASA deposit, CASA is current and savings is called CASA, and that is very critical in terms of the barometer of how granular the bank is able to grow. It's always in terms of bulk deposits, a bank can grow very well, but when it starts growing its customer base, today we are exceeding a 1 million customer base, and CASA becomes a very important barometer to measure that. And I think we've grown from something like 9% to 22.5% in the last quarter. We were at 9% in terms of the CASA ratio mix in the entire deposit base. Today we are at 22.5% and still growing. It shows that our commitment to retail and growth is there. The strategy that we follow is really knowledge-based and segmented-based. We are there with solutions and products for every kind of business segment, whether it's the food processing industry, whether it's the real estate industry, whether it's textiles, whether it's telecommunication. We go with solutions which are very, very driven and specific to that segment. That's our approach, and we develop a lot of knowledge-based and a lot of technology-based solutions, very customized to those customer segments. In the retail space, we are present in all. We have, I think, the entire suite of various types of deposit products. We have all the possible card-related solutions, which I think the retail customers would very look forward to. We have presence with all our loan products, whether it is an auto loan, whether it's a home loan, whether it is an SME loan, whether it is a micro SME loan, whether it is a loan against property. We are there with all the solutions, even for our retail customers. So whether it's the retail customer today, whether it's the micro SME customer, or the corporate banking or an MNC customer, we can cater to all of them. We have all the solutions ready for them. Now, if I were to just give you a few more points. The bank has, at the end of it all, invested a hell of a lot in terms of building the brand, and to tell you that you would have seen us associate with IPL, you would have seen us associate with many other entities, and like we would like to associate with you because we seriously believe in value addition. We have products for every kind of customer segment, whether it's a senior citizen, whether it's a child, whether it's a woman, whether it is an institution, whether it's even a trust of the nature of Sindhu Gaurav. So we are there. We cater to every kind of customer segment with every kind of product that we have. Now, in terms of we have several solutions for our global Indian. I will request my friend and colleague, who's the Executive Vice President, Dharmesh Desai, to take you through that. But just to tell you a little bit about our brand. Yes Bank brand, the mission is to be the best quality bank of the world in India. And we are driven by knowledge and innovation and technology. We are a brand with a lot of heart and soul, and we strongly have instilled values of trust, transparency and responsible banking. We participate in a lot of community events which address the social and economic challenges of our country. We touch something like 50,000 people every day through all the endeavors. All the YES community events are there, and we participate in a very responsible manner to contribute to society. We are, I would also say, a very followed on and a very popular bank, young bank, being watched very closely by people. We have the maximum amount of followers on Twitter, and we also have 1.1 million fans on Facebook. So we are being watched very closely, we are being monitored very closely. I think as people demand more and more of us, we are just growing bigger and bigger. So thank you so much.
I thought I'd take only 2 minutes to brief you on what we are for the NRI community, and why are we the preferred bank today for NRIs, and that's it. I will not take a lot of time. On the NRI segment, we have a clear value proposition today for the NRIs, where we offer 7% rate of interest, which probably no other Indian bank offers to NRI, which is a clear saving of 30,000 rupees on every 10 lakhs you put in our bank. And that's something, our rate of deposits, interest rates on deposits are very attractive. We offer a lot of structured products to NRIs on deposits. There are a lot of businessmen here, and we offer FCNR backed structures to NRIs. We offer investments to NRIs which are tax saving and which which helps you in the double taxation avoidance in India. On the investment side, we offer insurance, we offer mutual funds to NRIs. And on the value add, we are the only bank probably which offers a dedicated relationship managers to NRIs. We have toll-free numbers across different countries, so NRIs can reach to us as a local number in their local country. And just to give you on our future plans, we are coming close to Mr. Bakshani. We are setting up our first international office in Abu Dhabi. And that's the first international foray the bank is planning. And obviously that's the first foray, and we have much bigger plans on the international side. So thank you very much and your time, and we are happy to be participating in this.